name is Leire Bastida from Tecnalia, and I am the coordinator of FORTIS.
Hello, I am Wael Mohammed. I'm a senior researcher at FAST Lab at Tampere University from Finland. FORTIS project aims at providing a solution for all levels of interaction, including physical and non-physical interaction.
For a proper interaction between the human and the robot, first, we need to collect data from the human and the surrounding of the human. This data may include information about the human status, emotional status, or the activity that the human is conducting at the time of the interaction. In FORTIS project, we refer to robots as embodied AIs. These AIs that controls the robot also is the entity that interacts with the human, as we see in the arrow number 2. This AI-based application controls the hardware, as we see in arrow number 3. After that, once we know the status of the human and the status of the machine and the surrounding between them, we can create what we call in FORTIS project personality-tailored virtual character. Finally, the human will be able to interact with the embodied AI in physical or non-physical manner, as we see in arrows 6 and then 1 and 5.
To demonstrate the project solution, we will include 3 pilots from the construction sector, the infrastructure service sector, and manufacturing sector. These 3 pilots include different use cases where we can test and validate the solution with different interaction modes. For this project, we will also provide support to the third parties. Actually, we will give more than 5 million euros to SMEs and startups to helping both develop the solution and demonstrate its features in different sectors. So stay tuned and follow our channels in YouTube and LinkedIn.